About this item: DIY LED light strip, 6 PCS pre-cut strips, total 9.8 feet, many kinds of connection option, great way to upgrade your cabinets, closet, desk, TV back, bookshelf, bed, wardrobe, display case etc. Super bright and brightness adjustable. Super bright LED cabinet lights delivers total 1500 lumen, came with RF dimmer to adjust the brightness. LED CRI is greater than 82, providing high quality lighting. RF wireless remote control, 17 key RF remote has timing off, dimming, hot buttons, rematch and dynamic function, 60 feet control distance. Reliable kit, high quality adapter and strip light. The LED tape light working voltage is DC 12V, extremely low voltage and heat easy installation. All installation accessories are included. No tools required. Install light bars by yourself in minutes, just clean, stick on, connect. Backed with strong adhesive tape, screw free to protect your furniture. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: DIY LED light strip, 6 PCS pre-cut strips, total 9.8 feet, many kinds of connection option, great way to upgrade your cabinets, closet,